Hello friends, welcome back. This is the 8th session of our Excel Functions series. The list shown here consists of functions that we aim to cover as part of this series. The green colored functions are covered in our earlier sessions. If you have missed few topics, please refer to the playlist for getting access to the earlier sessions. In this session, we will learn about COUNTIF and COUNTIFS function. Let us start with capturing and understanding the requirements shared by the key stakeholders. Mr. Ram, our key stakeholder, meets Mr. Sham in the library. After the exchange of greetings, they had a brief discussion about data related to a few queries. Since Mr. Sham is a data analyst, Mr. Ram shared a few queries with him and requested him to share the results on priority. Mr. Sham notes down the queries and quickly moves towards his desk to kickstart the analysis. Before moving to our Excel sheet, let's first go through the definition of these functions that we will be using for this request. Starting with the function COUNTIF. It counts the number of cells in a range that meet the given condition. Moving to the second function, which is COUNTIFS. It counts the number of cells in a range that meet the given set of conditions or criteria. Talking about the sample inventory data, we will be using the same inventory data sheet that we have used in our earlier sessions. Now, let us move to our Excel series workbook and understand these functions COUNTIF and COUNTIFS, starting with the first query, which is count the number of products in milk category. So, since there is only one condition, one criteria, we can use COUNTIF to count the number of products under the product category milk. Let us see how we can apply COUNTIF and get the required output. Double click the cell where you want to apply the COUNTIF function, press equal to and enter the function name as COUNTIF. In the arguments section, the first argument is the range of data which you want to evaluate as per the criteria. In our case, since we have been asked to look for the products under the product category milk, we will select column D as our range, and the criteria, our second argument, will be milk. Press enter and we can see that we have received an output of 13, which indicates that there are 13 products which have the product category as milk. Let us check this manually. Starting from row number 2, we have milk category till row number 14, which clearly tells us that there are only 13 products present in the inventory data sheet that have product category as milk. Moving to our second query, which is count the number of products of Dairy India. We can solve this query using the COUNTIF function. Here, we need to count the number of products in the inventory data which have brand name equal to Dairy India. So, again, double click the cell, enter equal to and enter the function name, which is COUNTIF in our case. Then select the range of the data you want to evaluate and pass the criteria. The criteria here is count all the cells in the brand column where brand name is equal to Dairy India. So we can see that we have received an output as 5, which tells us that there are 5 products of Dairy India that are present in the inventory data sheet. Let us verify this using a manual check. We want to count the number of rows, the number of objects which have brand name as Dairy India. So let us quickly scan the data. The first 4 rows are of Dairy India with the product category as milk. Scrolling down, we can see that Dairy India is also selling wheat bread under the product category bread. Hence, the total count of products being sold by Dairy India is 4 plus 1, which is 5, which matches to the output that we have received using the COUNTIF function. Now, moving to our third query, which is count the number of milk products sold by Dairy India. Now, here we can see that there are 2 criteria. One is that the product category should be milk, and second is that the brand is Dairy India. Here, since we have 2 criteria or 2 conditions, we will be using COUNTIFS function. Let us apply the COUNTIFS function. Double click the cell, press equal to, enter the function name as COUNTIFS. Here we see that the arguments which we need to pass here is the criteria range and the criteria itself. And in case there are 2 criteria, we will have 4 arguments: criteria range 1, criteria 1, then criteria range 2 and criteria 2. Only those products that meet both the conditions, both the criteria, are considered for the counting. In our case, we have 2 criteria. The first one is product category and the second one is for the brand. Let us apply these criteria and see what output do we get. So our first criteria range would be column D, and the criteria would be cells having the product category as milk. Then we have second criteria that we only want to consider brand Dairy India for our counting. Select column F and give the criteria, which is Dairy India. We can see that we have received an output as 4, which means that there are 4 products present in the inventory data sheet that belong to the product category milk and are being sold under the brand name Dairy India. We can quickly check this by looking for the products that have brand name as Dairy India. So we can see that the first 4 rows have the brand name as Dairy India and the product category is milk. Since both the conditions are matching here, we will consider these 4 products for our final answer. Let us also scan through and see if there are any other matches. Here the brand name matches, but the product category is bread, which doesn't match with the criteria of milk. Hence, this will not be considered. This product will not be considered for the final counting. Hence, we have the output as 4 products under the product category milk and having the brand name as Dairy India. Now, moving to the fourth query, which is count the number of products sold under the brand name Kisan or Tops. We can solve this query using both COUNTIF and COUNTIFS functions. Here we are using COUNTIFS function. Let us see how to apply the COUNTIFS function in a scenario where there is an OR condition instead of the AND condition. We can solve this by applying the COUNTIFS function twice. So enter equal to, press the function name and then scan the column F, which is the brand column, against the brand name Kisan. This will give us all the products that are of Kisan brand. Similarly, we do the same thing for the Tops brand, and when we add both of them, we will get the final answer. Our final answer is 5, which can easily be verified from the data. So these 5 products are the products that have either the brand name as Tops or the brand name as Kisan. Mr. Sham shares the output of the queries with Mr. Ram and requests him to review the same. Mr. Ram acknowledges Sham's work and tells him that he is going to review the results shared and will come back in case of any clarifications required. Friends, let us meet in our next session to look into more Excel functions. I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications.